Okay, let's take a start with IELTS speaking, and this is speaking part one. What do you do? Do you work or study?
Well, currently I'm doing a job as an assistant marketing manager in sportswear company,
Okay,
which makes socks, sports socks, and other stuff
all
like.
right, very good. Do you find your job challenging?
Yes, because of I found this job very challenging because I have to do many different tasks on each days.
You can
Due.
say I have to do a number of different tasks each day. I have instead of do, you can say I have to perform
Yeah.
a number of different tasks each day. Okay,
Because my job requires a lot of different variety of ideas to do marketing, to do sales, and because of meeting with different customers and day-to-day task and responsibility, all that
okay. So
stuff.
then one sentence conclusion. So for all these things, I find my job rather challenging and all that.
Okay.
Okay, let's go on. Uh, does your job need creativity?
Well, currently my job needs creativity because of marketing skills, because every day we have to meet with different people who have different nature of working, nature of doing things, all that. So yes, answer
Okay.
to your question
To
is
answer your question, yes,
is
my job needs a
a
lot of
lot of it.
creativity. Does your job become stressful sometimes?
Sometimes it does become stressful because of late sittings, late audits, you can say late meetings with clients, and yes.
Yeah, it is sometimes. So for stress, you can use the word anxiety or some other words like that.
Okay.
Okay, now let's change the topic. How often do you go for shopping?
Honestly speaking, it depends on my pocket money and my needs. So I usually go for shopping for a special occasion because I don't like to shop most oftenly in my daily routine.
All right. Do you go for shopping alone or with friends or family members?
Well, I'm very choosy, so answer you to your question is I usually go alone because said that
Everyone sees that.
everyone says that you took too long.
You take too long.
You take too long to select something about your shopping.
Hmm.
So I usually often
I usually often
to
go
go
alone
alone.
to buy clothes.
Yes.
Now, don't use this phrase every time to answer your question. One
Okay.
time you say to answer your question, second time to reply to your question, to reply to your query, things like that. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now, let's go on. What is your favorite shopping mall and why?
Currently, my favorite shopping mall is Emporium Mall because it is very near to my home as well. And Emporium Mall has all the brands which used to wear and I like to wear. So that's why I like
Emporium Shopping Mall. Okay, good. Do you prefer to eat out when you go for shopping?
Uh, I have I don't know used to these avant-garde.
Sorry? Do you eat out when you go for shopping? Mean shopping के लिए कोई समोसे खा के आए सा चाट खावांगे कोई
Uh,
दही बल्ले खावांगे
well,
yeah
most oftenly I don't use.
oftenly is not right quite often
Quite oftenly I do not
often not oftenly
often.
I
Quite
don't yeah
I don't eat
I
while
don't eat
shopping. I
anything
don't eat
while
while
shopping
shopping
because yeah
because of less time and
okay so see your answers are not well developed and some answers are too short so you need to add some more information to them right
information.
it's your first interaction first experience gradually you'll be fine okay now it's your turn let's take a start do you work or study
Actually, I'm working for a bank. It's a provincial bank, and I'm in an operation department.
okay that's good did you want to do this bank job when you were a student
Uh, Honestly, not. When I was a student, I used to watch some kind of like investigating movies. So I want to be an investigating officer at that time. But as the time passes, I got the opportunity. The best opportunity at that time was banking sector. So I joined banking sector.
all right good would you like to change your job in the future
If I got a good opportunity,
If I get.
if I will get a good opportunity,
If I get a good opportunity, I will go for it.
if I get good opportunity, I will switch my job. It totally depends on the opportunity which I can offer in future.
All right. Do you think your job needs team building or team activities? Or do you work together with your colleagues or do you work independently?
I think I totally work on my own because I am in operation department. I have to maintain the customer checkbooks, opening of the customer's account. So it totally depend on me. I don't. You can say I don't.
All right. What do you do after work? When you come back home, what do you do to relax after work?
After once I finish my work, I go back to home and take a little nap. So I feel better after that. So after a nap, I can like do a normal routine works like take a dinner.
I can have my dinner
Yeah, I
and
can have my dinner.
all right. So just try to speak a little more actively and energetically. That's important, right? Now let's go on. Does your routine change throughout the working days or it's the same routine?
It remain almost same
It
because
remains almost same.
yes,
It almost remains same.
it almost remains same because I I just work 5 days in a week, so I have to work anyhow 5 days in a week and 2 days off. So I usually work in the same routine.
All right. What do you mostly do at the weekend?
Usually I spend a time with my family because I am a married man. So this will weekend is a best time for me to spend a time with my kids and with my wife.
All
and
right. Do you
parents.
prefer to spend your free time alone or with your friends
No,
or family?
I prefer to spend a time with my family and with my friends and with my parents.
Why?
I love to spend a time with them.
I love to spend time with them because they just go on.
Because in a week of 5 days, working hours is my working hours is very long. So I couldn't get enough time.
I don't get enough
I
time?
don't get enough time to spend.
Enough time?
Enough time to spend with my family. So that's why when I got time, I go
When I
out.
get time?
When I get a time, I go out with my family.
Good.
with my friends.
All right, this is good. Just you need, what do you say, a little understanding of the questions and how to make your answers. And they can ask you any question which is related to you. No general knowledge, nothing difficult, very simple questions to answer, right? Good, thank you.